This 2024 Toyota Highlander is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Toyota is powered by C.D.J.R all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo regular unleaded i4 2.4L 146 engine, and has 40,120 miles. Explore new adventures in a trusted 2024 Toyota Highlander. Your perfect family SUV awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.